Hello everyone, welcome to another video with Vertocity. In this video, I'd be explaining you a comprehensive roadmap to becoming a data analyst, and this video is only for freshers. Data analytics has emerged as a highly sought out after field in recent years, offering lucrative career opportunities for individuals with a knack for numbers and a passion for solving analytical problems. However, taking the first step towards becoming a data analyst can be a very daunting experience, especially for freshers who are considering this field for the very first time. In this comprehensive guide, I will take you through a step-by-step process in becoming a data analyst. From understanding the role of data analyst to gaining a practical experience, I'd be explaining each and everything. Understanding the role of a data analyst. Now, before diving into the technical aspects of becoming a data analyst, it is very much important for you to understand what the job entails. A data analyst is responsible for interpreting complex data and using statistical techniques to analyze it. Now, they help organizations make data-driven decisions by identifying patterns and trends in large data sets. However, being a data analyst is not just about crunching numbers. It also involves a lot of things like understanding the business and industry that the organization operates in. And also, a data analyst must be able to translate their findings into actionable insights that the organization can use to improve its operations. Now, key responsibilities of a data analyst. The role of a data analyst can vary depending upon the organization and the industry they work in. However, some common responsibilities include collecting and analyzing large data sets. Having a beautiful bigger data sets, a data analyst has to analyze and collect all of them. Data analyst has to identify trends and patterns in data. They have to create reports based on data analysis and communicating data analysis findings to the stakeholders. Data analyst has to develop data models and databases, and they have to collaborate with other teams to identify data needs and gaps. Data analysts has to provide recommendations based on their data analysis, and they have to continuously monitor and evaluate the data to ensure accuracy and relevance. Skills required for a data analyst. The following skills, these are the skills that are actually essential to become a data analyst. Analytical thinking, advanced knowledge of statistics and mathematics, because data analytics is all about numbers, at least most of it is about numbers. Excellent communication skills, data visualization skills, creating visualizations either on Excel or Power BI or using Tableau, and programming skills like SQL, Python or R. And they have to have a very good attention to detail. They should be able to work with large data sets. Data analysts should be able to work under pressure, and they have to meet deadlines. Data analysts must also be curious and have a passion for learning. They must keep up with the latest trends and technologies in data analysis to stay ahead of the competition. Industries where data analysts are in demand. Data analysts are in demand in a wide range of industries, including healthcare, finance, marketing, e-commerce, and many more. The healthcare industry, for instance, is investing heavily in data analysis to provide better patient care and optimize hospital operations. Now, in the finance industry, if you see, data analysts are responsible for identifying the market trends and predicting future market movements. In marketing, data analysts help companies understand their customers and develop a targeted marketing campaigns. If we take e-commerce industry for an example, data analysts have to help these companies optimize their website and improve the customer experience. This is how a data analyst job varies from industry to industry. But overall, data analysis is a rapidly growing field with a high demand for skilled professionals. If you have a passion for data and are interested in a career in data analysis, then there are many opportunities that are available to you. If we have to speak about educational requirements and the background that is required for a data analyst, while a degree in data analytics or a related field is not always necessary, but having the relevant educational background can help you stand out in a competitive job market. In addition to formal education, gaining experience through your either through internships or projects or any volunteer or freelance work can also be beneficial. But having a solid understanding of statistics, mathematics, and computer science is essential for success in data analytics. Now, the ability to think critically and problem solving is also important. As a data analyst, they are often tasked with identifying trends and patterns in complex data sets. It is important to note that while having a strong foundation in these subjects, it is also important as a data analyst is to constantly evolve in this particular field and stay up to date with the latest tools and technologies which are essential in the field of analytics. And if you have to concentrate on online camps and online courses and boot camps, there are several online platforms that offer courses and boot camps on how to become a data analyst. These can help you develop your skills that are required for a data analyst. And one of them is Vertocity, where you get upskilling required to become a data analyst alongside with 100% job guarantee. Now take a look at it once. Maybe you might like it. The major difference between Vertocity and other edtech platforms are, if I can differentiate in two simple points. One, irrespective of what the course are, it is purely done on project-based learning, which means that rather than looking at random videos, you'll have a chance to understand everything through projects, each and everything through projects. And second one, Vertocity provides you a 100% job guarantee, which means that once you enroll into the course and start the coursework and finish all your projects, you will be entitled with a 100% job guarantee into the analytics field or into any particular domain that is relevant to the coursework that you did. Alongside, if they are unable to provide you a job in this particular domain, then they'll give you a 100% refund of the fees that you've paid. How to build a strong foundation in data analysis. Now that you understood that the basics of data analyst role, you can begin building a strong foundation in data analysis by mastering programming languages and learning data visualization tools and developing statistical and analytical skills. However, becoming a successful data analyst requires more than just technical skills. You also need to have strong communication skills and problem solving abilities and a knack for understanding business objectives. These are very much important for a data analyst. Now, how to master these programming languages? To succeed as a data analyst, it is important to have a good grasp of programming languages such as SQL, Python, R, and Java. Out of this, SQL and Python are considered to be the better ones, and then R programming. Now, these languages are essential for processing, managing, and analyzing data. SQL is particularly important for working with relational databases, while Python and R are popular for statistical analysis and machine learning. Now, Java is widely used for big data processing and building large-scale applications. Learning these programming languages can be challenging, but there are many resources available to help you get started. Online courses, boot camps, and degree programs, these can provide you with foundational knowledge you need to have to become proficient in these languages. Additionally, there are many online communities and forums where you can connect with aspiring data analysts and seek advice and support. How to learn the data visualization tools. Visualizing data is an important aspect of data analysis. Tableau, Power BI, and other such data visualization tools can help you create interactive and visually appealing reports that can assist stakeholders in understanding and making use of complex data sets. Now, these tools are widely used in the industry and can be learned through online courses or boot camps. However, it is important to remember that data visualization is not just about creating pretty charts and graphs. Effective data visualization requires a deep understanding of the underlying data and the ability to communicate insights clearly and effectively. Now, as a data analyst, your job is not just to present the data whenever required, but to also help the stakeholders make informed decisions based on that particular data. Developing statistical and analytical skills. Statistics and mathematics form the backbone of data analysis. It is therefore essential to have a good understanding of statistical concepts such as probability distributions, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. Now, these skills are particularly important for making accurate predictions and identifying trends in data. However, statistical analysis is not just about crunching numbers. To be an effective data analyst, you also need to be able to ask the right questions, design experiments, and interpret results in a meaningful way. This requires a combination of analytical skills, critical thinking, and domain knowledge. There are many resources available for developing your statistical and analytical skills, including online courses, textbooks, and academic programs. However, the best way to develop these skills is through a hands-on experience do the projects, run on the assignments, make sure that it looks legit and gives you a good experience. And also look for opportunities to work on real world projects and collaborate with other data analysts to gain practical experience and build your portfolio. How to gain a practical experience? Having practical experience is essential for becoming a successful data analyst in today's data-driven world, and also the demand for data analysts is increasing, and having practical experience can give you an edge over other candidates. Now, if you are wondering how to gain practical experience, and here there are several ways to do so. For example, internships and entry-level jobs will fetch you far more practical experience in the field of data analysis than anything else. Now, these opportunities allow you to work with organizations and be mentored by experienced professionals while learning how to analyze data in the real world scenarios. Now, during your internship or entry level job, you will be given tasks such as data cleaning, data visualization, and data analysis. You'll also learn how to work with different types of datasets and software tools such as Excel, R, and Python. Now, many organizations offer paid internships and entry level jobs. So keep an eye out for these particular opportunities. The second way how you can get hands-on experience is through doing freelance and doing remote opportunities. If you are looking for more flexibility in your work schedule, freelancing and remote work opportunities are increasingly popular among data analysts. Now, these opportunities allow you to work with clients on a project basis and gain experience working with different types of data sets. Freelancing can also help you build your professional network and make valuable connections in the industry. You can find freelance opportunities on platforms such as Upwork, Freelance, and Fiverr. One more way to get hands-on experience is through participating in data analysis competitions. Now, these competitions can be an excellent way to showcase your skills and gain recognition in the industry. Competitions such as Kaggle offer a platform where data analysts can come together and solve complex data problems. Now, participating in such competitions can be a great way to gain hands-on experience and build a strong portfolio of work. Now, you'll also have the opportunity to network with other data analysts and learn from their experiences. Gaining practical experiences like these are crucial for becoming a successful data analyst. Whether you choose to undertake internships or entry-level jobs or freelance opportunities, or you make sure to keep learning and expanding your skill set. Participating in data analysis competitions can also be a great way to showcase your skills and gain recognition in the industry. Becoming a data analyst requires a combination of technical skills, analytical thinking, and practical experiences. By following this step-by-step process outlined in this guide, freshers can gain a comprehensive understanding of what it takes to become a successful data analyst. Now, if you like this video, make sure you comment down what is the interesting part. And you also have to understand that with the demand for data analysts on the rise, now is the perfect time to make career in this exciting field. Any queries, any questions, or anything with you, or anything that you have with respect to how to become a data analyst, you can comment down on this video and our mentors will reach out and respond to your comments immediately. If you like this video, make sure that you share this with the aspiring data analysts so that it might help a few. Thank you and see you in the next video.